Blonde jokes. A blonde was on her way to Disneyland, but she went home when she saw a sign saying a Euro Disneyland left a Euro trademark. Blonde jokes. How does a blonde commit suicide? She gathers her clothes into a pile and jumps off. Money jokes. Why is someone who borrows money but does not pay it all back like a football player? Because sometimes he gives you a quarter back and sometimes a half back. Cop jokes. John and Jessica were on their way home from the bar one night and John got pulled over by the police. The officer told John that he was stopped because his tail light was burned out. John said, "I'm very sorry, officer, I didn't realize it was out, I'll get it fixed right away." Just then Jessica said, "I knew this would happen when I told you 2 days ago to get that light fixed." So the officer asked for John's license and after looking at it said, "Sir, your license has expired." And again John apologized and mentioned that he didn't realize that it had expired and would take care of it first thing in the morning. Jessica said, "I told you a week ago that the state sent you a letter telling you that your license had expired." Well, by this time, John is a bit upset with his wife contradicting him in front of the officer, and he said in a rather loud voice, "Jessica, shut your mouth." The officer then leaned over toward Jessica and asked, "Does your husband always talk to you like that?" Jessica replied, "Only when he's drunk." Blonde jokes. Why did the blonde have square boobs? She forgot to take the tissues out of the box. Money jokes. A couple was having a discussion about what to see and do now that they were safely in Florida on their honeymoon. Trying to assert himself right off the bat, he exploded, "If it weren't for my money, we wouldn't be here at all." The wife replied, "My dear, if it weren't for your money, not only would we not be in Florida, we wouldn't on a honeymoon, nor would there be any we in the first place." Money jokes. What do you get if you cross a sorceress with a millionaire? A very rich person. Animal jokes. Q. Where do polar bears vote? A. The North Pole. Lawyer jokes. A doctor vacationing on the Riviera met an old lawyer friend and asked him what he was doing there. The lawyer replied, "Remember that lousy real estate I bought? Well, it caught fire, so here I am with the fire insurance proceeds." "What are you doing here?" The doctor replied, "Remember that lousy real estate I had in Mississippi? Well, the river overflowed, and here I am with the flood insurance proceeds." The lawyer looked puzzled. "Gee," he asked, "how did you start the flood?" Blonde jokes. Q. Why is a blonde like a doorknob? A. Because everybody gets a turn.